Hi everyone, welcome back to the Creative Corner. If you have ever wanted to turn your creative ideas into beautiful visual stories without spending hours on design, then you are going to love today's video. Today we are diving into a powerful AI tool called Mootion. This platform allows you to generate stunning visual scenes just by typing your ideas. Whether you are a content creator, digital marketer, teacher, or even a storyteller musician can save you a lot of time and effort while giving you professional quality visuals. I will walk you through the entire process from how to use the tool, how to transform text into visuals, and even you can use the result in your own projects. So make sure to watch till the end. Alright, let's jump right in and get started. The first step is to log into your account on the Mootion website. As soon as you successfully log in, you will be taken to the main dashboard and the interface should look something like this. It's clean, simple and user-friendly, which make it really easy to navigate. On the left side, you will see a few options like Use Generate to create videos, My Project to manage your work, Gallery for inspiration, and Asset Studio to edit character voices and scenes. Invite your friends to Mootion to earn 100 free credits. Each share your referral link and one day sign up. You both get rewarded, earn up to 10,000 credits. It's that simple. At the top you will find different categories that Mootion offers for video generation. These include Kids for creating fun and educational content for children, Education Prep for teaching tutorials or informative lessons. Religion, use this for spiritual or religious messages and stories. Social media Mootion is a cutting-edge AI tool that lets you create full videos with just one click. It uses advanced multimodal technology combining text, visuals, and audio to turn your ideas into stunning visual stories in seconds. As you can see, I just entered a simple prompt, Milo the monkey keys. Big adventure and Mootion instantly generated a full script for me. It's fast, accurate, and really helpful for turning ideas into a proper storyline. It automatically selected the language, visual style, and aspect ratio all by itself. Based on my prompt, as you can see, it has already created scene images for the video, ready to use and fully based on my script. Now it has also added the title, subtitle, and even the background audio automatically. Everything is perfectly placed, so your video is almost ready without any extra effort.
In the heart of the lush green jungle, where the sunlight danced through the treetops, lived a curious little monkey named Milo. Milo had a long, curly tail and bright, twinkly eyes that sparkled with mischief. He was known throughout the jungle for his adventurous spirit and his insatiable curiosity. One sunny morning, as Milo was swinging from branch to branch, he overheard some parrots talking about the hidden banana grove. He smiled reassuringly. "Let's use the glowworms," he exclaimed, pointing to the tiny.
Once you are happy with the result, just click the download button to save your video ready to share anywhere you like. Now I am clicking on the general creating option. This is where you can start fresh and create any type of video you want. You see three main options: generate from prompt, use my content, use my recording. Alright, let's begin by selecting the first option, generate from prompt here. Entering a new prompt, the rabbit who wanted wings. In the language selection, you will find many options to choose from, not just English. You can generate stories in different languages too. This lets you set the mode or audience types. For example, I have selected children's to make it more fun and friendly for kids. AI avatar, you can choose from different avatar styles to narrate or represent your story visually. Select the scene format like 16 to 9 for widescreen, 9 to 16 for vertical videos, or 1:1 for square post. Next we have the visual style section. This lets you choose the overall look and feel of your story. You will find various styles like cartoon 3D, realistic sketch, and more. I am selecting the anime style. Once that's selected, I simply click on the generate button to start creating the visual story. As you can see, the tool has generated 26 scenes based on the prompt. I entered the script that appears in each scene can also be edited. You can change the text, rewrite the lines, or just the story. However you like, you will see these options. Regenerate, recreate the scene animates, add motion. Inside the add menu, you get useful tools like adjust, modify. Erase to remove any part of the image you don't want. Remove background to delete the background from an image automatically. These tools give you full control over how each scene looks. No, I click on the next. No, I click on the next. Erase to remove any part of the image you don't want. Remove PG to delete the background from an image automatically. These tools give you full control over how each scene looks. Now I click on the next. On the left side, you will see several customization tools to style your story title. Here you can choose from a variety of title styles to give your story a unique visual appearance. Subtitle. Right below the title selection, you have subtitle styles. These let you format and supporting text in your story with different fonts and colors for a more engaging look. Now choose a thumbnail and this will be the cover image for your story. Add smooth scene transitions to enhance the flow between each part of your story. Now let's add a voiceover. You can record your own or use an AI generated voice to narrate the story.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
Life is like a box of chocolate.
You can also choose the AI avatar layout, decide whether the avatar appears in your story. Finally, let's add some background music using the AI music option. Once everything is set, the visuals, voice over avatar and music, I simply click on the composite button. As you can see, the processing has started. And within just a few seconds, the video is ready. Let's go ahead and play it to see once your video is ready.
Once upon a time, in a lush green forest filled with towering trees and vibrant flowers, lived a curious little rabbit named Rosie. Rosie had big, sparkling eyes and a fluffy white tail that bobbed up and down as she hopped along the forest floor. Rosie was fascinated by the birds that soared effortlessly through the sky. She watched enviously as the sparrows, robins, and blue jays zipped from branch to branch, chirping melodiously and playing in the clouds. "Oh, how I wish I had wings," Rosie sighed one sunny morning. "Then I could..." But instead of soaring through the air, she practiced hopping higher and leaping farther.
You will see a download button at the bottom. Just click on it to save the final video directly to your device. Next you have Views My Content. This option is for users who already have a script or written content. Just paste your text here and Mootion will build the video around your words, including matching scenes, transitions, and narrations. It gives you more control over the message. Just like before, start by selecting all the necessary options, language and avatar. This time I'm choosing the photorealistic visual style for a more lifelike look. Once everything is set, I click on the generate button to create a new version of the story. It has generated 5 cents. Now I will click on the next to continue. Just like we have the same options here: title, subtitle, text tools, voiceover, music, avatar, and more.
The only true wisdom.
Life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're going to get.
I click the composite button to generate the final version of this video. As you can see, it has generated a beautifully realistic story.
A grieving photojournalist, Sarah Collins, discovers an old vintage camera in her late grandfather's attic. When she develops its film, she sees photographs of events that haven't happened yet, disasters, crimes, and moments of personal loss. As Sarah begins investigating, she realizes the camera allows her to capture glimpses of the future, but only tragedies. She must race. Sarah must make a final choice. Change the past, protect the future, or lose herself forever in the echoes of yesterday.
And just like before, you can click the download button below to save it to your device. Now let's choose the third option, use my recording. This feature lets you upload your own voice recording. Musician will automatically generate visually scenes and subtitles based on your audio. It's perfect. If you already have an narration or podcast and want to turn it into a video fast, this time I have uploaded my own audio and selected the illustration visual style for a more dramatic and polished look. As you can see, it has generated some amazing and high quality scenes in cinematic style. Just like we have the same options here, title, subtitle, text, tools, voiceover, music, avatar, and more. Once everything is set, I click the composite button to generate the final version of this video.
Success doesn't come overnight. It takes courage, patience, and relentless effort. So don't quit. Your breakthrough could be just one step away.
As you can see, the video perfectly matches the topic and voice I uploaded. You can click the download button below to save it to your device. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how this amazing AI tool can turn simple ideas into stunning visual stories with just a few clicks. From customizing the style, adding your own voice to generating high quality scenes, the creative possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials or tech reviews. Thanks a lot for watching and I will see you in the next video.